Is it a bird? Is it a plane? Actually, it's soon likely to be a drone. Small, unnamed drones are about to become a legitimate means of package delivery as an alternative to congested roads. To realize this vision, drone operators will have to be able to reliably monitor each unit in their fleet at every moment. But how can you tell if a small speck in the sky a great distance away is a drone? And how can you know if it is yours? While big drones are visible on radar, making them easy to identify, increasingly small ones are much harder to see. At my Dynamics of Nanostructures lab, we combine methods from multiple fields, including physics, material engineering, and electrodynamics, to address the drone identification challenge. We equip tiny drones with unique superscatterers, devices that create illusion, making drones appear much bigger than they are, so they too can be seen and identified on radar. How do we do it? We invent entirely new geometric shapes. These superscatter devices using plastic covered in metal. One of our devices might remind you of the coronavirus. Another one features little rings and stripes. We analyze a vast number of different shapes properties, like their weight, impact of coatings, and strength of a signal they reflect. So we can optimize the shapes to achieve maximum reflective effect with minimal material. The devices we developed have succeeded in making tiny drones seem 1,000 times bigger than they actually are. That's like seeing a grain of rice the size of a giraffe. We already have industrial collaborations and are excited for the wide range of applications our superscatterers will make possible beyond deliveries, for example, in national defense, weather observations, and agricultural monitoring.